Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Well, today is the day that we do the giveaway of the tools that I presented at the beginning of January for this great giveaway that I'm doing all year long. So today I'll be picking the winner, and I'm just going to go through the tools right quick of what we're giving away. First, what we're going to give away is the Felco pruners, one of the best on the market. These are really great. I have a pair of them, and for the last 5 years they've worked really well. To go along with that, we're going to have a little pouch for you. This way they stay with the pouch. You don't lose them. It's not as easy to lose them. Also, these can sometimes prick you while you have them in your pants or wherever you put them on you. So this will keep you safe. And then we have something to get rid of the residue that collects on your blades. Okay, so a little bit of residue remover to clean your blades up after each time you prune. Okay, so these are great gifts, and I've had fun just doing this type of giveaway, and we'll be doing another one in February. The tool will be here. I've ordered the tool, and it'll be here probably tomorrow, and I'll do a video on that and what we'll be giving away. So I'm really excited about it, and I hope all of you have a chance to win, and I think you're going to get some really great tools this year. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pick our winner. I will say this: if you're private and I can't see your YouTube name, I won't be able to pick you for these types of giveaways. Okay, so make it public so I can see you and you can take advantage of these tools I'll be giving away all year long. Let's go ahead and pick one here. So the winner of these tools for January 2026 is Joyce Beasley. So what I'm going to do, Joyce, is you will be able to see this email down here below. If you'll email me, and you have 48 hours to contact me, okay? So make sure you contact me, and you'll be able to contact me on this email below, Joyce. And I hope you enjoy these tools, and I thank you for participating in this and being a subscriber. Thank you for all of you for being a subscriber, and I thank you for taking opportunity to get some free tools and some really good tools. I'm gonna try to give you guys really good, sturdy tools. That way, you know, if you're in the landscaping or if you're doing something in your lawn, you'll have a good tool and you'll know what it feels like to have a good tool. So I appreciate you, all of you, being a part of this. And just remember, February is coming up, and that's a new tool giveaway. So make sure you're a subscriber, and make sure I can see your YouTube name. Okay. So I hope you have a great day. And Joyce, please contact me at this email below, and we'll get these tools to you. Thank you, and have a great day.